Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be installing the Mabett removable rear cup holders. They're a TPE material with a rubberized center so that your cup doesn't slip out. There's a small amount of assembly required, but you don't have to take apart your Bronco to be able to mount it, like some other options on the market. This is another great product by Mabett. If you have the OEM mats, just peel them back, and then slide your seats forward to reveal this little trim cover. Using the included trim tool, just pop off that cover. Now I'll just show you what the clips look like for when you go to remove yours. Slide your other seat forwards to reveal the other trim panel, and then using your Bronco toolkit, you can remove this 7mm bolt. And do the same on the other side. The arms on the cup holder have an orientation on them, so just make sure you have them the right way round when you're putting this piece together. These two pieces interlock, and you're going to put them together with a self-tapping screw. Just take your time, because you pretty much only have one shot at this. And make sure to not over-tighten it. Now pick up the other arm, put it in place, and install the self-tapping screw. And now you can just slide it into place. It just lines up with those two openings that you revealed earlier. Reinsert the factory bolt and tighten it down. There's a little trim cover included in the kit, just pop that on. And do the same on the other side. And this is what it looks like without the cup holder attached. The cup holder works with the OEM mats, but works better without them. Simply clip on and press down the cup holder. Due to the cup holder being removable and having a rubber inner, when you remove your cup you need to just press lightly on the cup holder to make sure it doesn't come away. And the reason it's removable is because when you want to fold the seats down, it would be in the way otherwise. Overall, it's a very elegant solution and it has a nice OEM feel to it. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.